in polar solvent, non-polar solute in non-polar solvent, ionic compound solute in water, then OH bond compound means alcoholic compound, mainly alcoholic compound is easily dissolved in water. In this case means when it is only possible when solute is solute it dissolve in solvent. Okay, so in this case we increase temperature is very effective factor for this very increased solubility. And other factor is in this case if we increase temperature, when amount of heat also increase, therefore it will easily ionize. And other factor is fourth factor is means nature of solvent, means mainly two type of solvent. One is a polar solvent and other is a non-polar solvent. Polar solvent means it is a positive and negative ion, means partially positive and partially negative ion, or in this cation and anion. When other is non-polar solvent, mainly water is polar solvent, while other is mainly organic solvent. For example, benzene, toluene, carbon tetrachloride, chloroform is non-polar solvent, means it was also effective factor, means solvent is polar or non-polar for ionization already, because solute is polar while solvent is non-polar. In this case ionization is not possible. For example, polar solute NaCl and non-polar solvent benzene, polar solute NaCl and non-polar solvent benzene. In this case NaCl will not dissolve in benzene, because benzene is polar solvent and NaCl is benzene is non-polar solvent while NaCl is polar solute. In this case ionization is not possible. Ionization not possible means NaCl. Okay, I am from Christ Polytechnic. Thanks. Okay, means polar solvent NaCl, non-polar solvent benzene not ionized, and other is means non-polar solute. For example, glucose polar solvent मानो कि H2O means polar solute dissolve in polar solvent, non-polar solute dissolve in non-polar solvent, means both are polar. In this case ionization increase, both are non-polar means one polar one non-polar. In this case ionization decrease. Now thanks for GTU and BSEC for taking giving me chance in the institute for taking lecture.